But let's run through our viewers first. What brokerages have to say? There are a slew of downgrades that have come in on Ambuja Cements. Starting off with DAM Capital, they have gone ahead, they've downgraded the stock to neutral, target price around 700 rupees. They say yes, the company is on a solid footing. The problem is most of the positives are priced in. They've gone ahead and they've trimmed their EBITDA estimates by 3 to around 4% because they're factoring in lower probability. Why lower profitability? Because the weak pricing scenario that's existing, because of the aggravation of aggression from various larger players. And the second factor is, the closing out of the South-based Penna acquisition. That's what's going to weigh on profitability. They also highlight that valuations have turned unfavorable because they're rather expensive and they're rich. The stock is trading at around 17 times EV per EBITDA, even after factoring in volume growth of close to around 16.5%, even if after factoring in a CAGR on EBITDA per ton improvement of around 9%. So from a longer term perspective, they say the cues are in place. The problem is the stock has run up a little too steeply, and also that's why they're trimming their rating on the stock. Moving to Jefferies, they have trimmed Ambuja Cements consolidated estimates by around 10% for the coming year and by 2% for the next 2 years. What they go on to say is that the key reason is the pricing pressure of the industry. They've also highlighted the cash position has come down. From close to around 24,000 crores, it's come down to around 18,000 crores because of the capex spend as well as working capital cycle has got stretched a little bit. They maintain their positive stance on both the stocks, that's Ambuja as well as on ACC. Moving to Nuvama then, they have downgraded the stock from buy to hold. They revised the target price of around 722 from around 767. Weak pricing environment, uptick in the stock price, that means that in the near term, well, things could be a little bit subdued for the company. So all these three, DAM, Nuvama, as well as Jefferies, they've gone ahead and they've trimmed estimates, or in fact, they've downgraded the stock, and that one's down close to around 3%. Devin, what's your view on Ambuja Cements?